In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bluetooth driver on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. We're going to use the built-in tools in Windows, so there's nothing extra to download, and the process should only take a few minutes. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet, and if you're using a USB Bluetooth dongle, plug it in before we start. Begin by opening Device Manager. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and X together on your keyboard, then click Device Manager from the menu that appears. Device Manager is where Windows lists all the hardware in your system and the drivers that help that hardware communicate with the operating system. It's the control center for checking whether Windows recognizes your Bluetooth adapter and for updating its driver. Once Device Manager is open, look for the Bluetooth section and click the arrow to expand it. You should see your Bluetooth adapter listed here, often with a name that includes the manufacturer or the word adapter or radio. If you see it, that means Windows has detected the hardware. You might also notice warning icons if there's a driver issue. That's exactly what we're about to fix. If you don't see any Bluetooth entry at all, it can mean the hardware is disabled or not present, but if the adapter appears, you're ready to proceed. Next, right-click your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. A new window will offer options for how to search. Choose the option that lets Windows search automatically for drivers. This tells Windows to look in its local driver store and through Windows Update for the most compatible signed version for your hardware. You'll see a progress indicator while it checks and installs. If Windows finds a newer or more appropriate driver, it will install it and confirm when the process is complete. If it reports that the best driver is already installed, that's fine too. Sometimes the correct driver is present but needs a restart to fully initialize. To finish the installation, restart your PC. A reboot clears any cached driver state and allows Windows to load the updated Bluetooth stack cleanly at startup. After your system comes back up, your Bluetooth adapter should be ready to use. You can open your Quick Settings panel or the Bluetooth settings page to confirm that Bluetooth is turned on and available for pairing. That's all there is to it. By using Device Manager to update the driver and restarting to apply changes, you ensure your Bluetooth hardware is properly recognized and ready for your devices.